In this video, we will be walking you through the installation of the 3-piece Billet Series grill for the 2021 GMC Yukon and Yukon XL. Part numbers 21173 polished and 21173B in black. Included will be the 3-piece billet grill, 12 threaded screws, and 12 threaded anchor clips. First, you want to insert the screws through the grill and thread them into the clips, leaving plenty of space. Next, to install the grill, place the clips through the 2 vertical support legs on the factory grill. Now, starting with the top grill, use a Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the Phillips screws to secure the grill to the vehicle. Then, repeat the process for the remaining 2 grills. And if the 3 grill pieces are centered and secure to the factory grill, the installation is complete.